Welcome to Crypto Space Junk. I'm going to do another price prediction video. I'm going to try and keep this under 12 minutes. So, Cardano and Runes I'm going to do today. So, Cardano feels like it hasn't done anything forever. I was expecting more when Sundaeswap came out. I haven't looked at any news or anything, so I'm just going to go from the technicals using the Fibs on my price prediction. In a bullish scenario, I will do a bearish scenario if I need to. But as a bullish one, let's have a look what the Fibs are saying. So this is the monthly chart. Again, I will get a pointer on there eventually. I've forgotten to do it again. But I'm going to use the crosshair so you can see the crosshair here. So on Cardano, inaccurate. So around a 618, we've pulled back in consolidation too. Over the whole of that leg on the monthly chart. Now, not looking massively positive here, but I've got the 20 EMA here. So you're getting a bit of confluence. You've got the 618, got the 20 EMA here, and the fact we've consolidated for 5 months there. So on the monthly chart, my price prediction, I'm going to go 618 to 618 on this. So I'll be looking at the extension fib of 618 with Cardano, around about $5. Or we would see some kind of pullback. Now, this price, you see how long it's taken to get down here, 5 months. So in a bullish scenario, you see how fast it is. And how, so I think $5 from this area up is definitely achievable. Let me move to, that's long term. And I can see that coming in before September Q3. Go to the weekly. So on a weekly chart, I like the fact that there's a Holy Grail, Golden Holy Grail here. There's a massive indecision in this area. And obviously on the monthly, we could see what was happening. So lots of confluence here. Maybe this could be the floor for the Cardano. So on a weekly, $786, where you take profit. So if you're playing buying down here, you want to take some profit up here, I'd go 886, 786, start taking profit to look to buy a pullback. If you did it from a pullback here, you're looking $2.80 when we come to retest this high, and I'll be looking for a pullback around 166 to then move on to, or probably a bit higher. I'd probably go a bit higher than that. Probably the $2 at $2, pull back to $2, and then we're going to head to $5. That's how I'd see that happening. Right, I'm going to go down to the 8 hours on this one because nothing's happening in Cardano extremely fast. So initially, you see we've come up here, seem to have hit a, let me turn this indicator off, hit around there twice. Look what I'll be looking at, a 8-hour chart. So again, 160 there would have been the area that I would buy on the pullback from the extension, the 618 extension on the weekly chart. So I see us hitting 155, 160, then having a pullback to then move forward and challenge the next one. Right, I'm not going to bother going to the 4 hours because it'll be pretty much showing, it's pretty much the same chart. It'll just be this move here broken down even more. So let's move to runes now. So let's say we're on 6 minutes. So that's not too bad. 6 minutes. Let's go to monthly. So I'm going to measure it from the bottom to the top where we are now. So we've got a double top there, and then we start coming down. But buyers coming in here. They could also start looking like a double bottom here. So let's have a look. So from the bullish scenario, not a bearish one at all. So we're at $4 now. Now this is as cheap as it was in May, I think. Look at that candle, July. Yeah, July, May. Fine. This is as cheap as what it was back then. Definitely worth. I'm going to get some more of this. In fact, I'm not too sure if I even have any. So I definitely will be getting some more. I might have forgot about Rune. Yeah, so initially, on the monthly chart, 786 won't be too surprised if we see $40. $38 on the 786 there. And that's just using the symmetry. We've come along here. I mean, I think we might even push higher. I mean, look at the power when this moves. Boom. So definitely on a monthly, I can see by Q3, we, as long as we hold this sort of area, we'll be looking at $38 come Q3. Go to weekly. So when I'm going to weekly, I'm looking for about April time, so like Q2. What I'll do here is play the opposite leg down. So here we came down 886. So you could be looking, seeing resistance at the 27% extension, which would line up, if I take this leg the other way, we could see some resistance around here as well, where we had the start of the consolidation, which will be 786 of that move. The two areas you will see some resistance there. Now, if we break out of here, completely different story, and that's where we look towards the $38 plus, as we saw on the monthly. But on the weekly, definitely you got a chance to 3 times your money there. And that's just hitting the first bit of resistance at $14.50. Maybe, well, probably $15 there. And then your next bit of resistance will be at the $20 mark. Now, I'll go down to 8 hours. All this now. Okay. Got the doji there. Actually, probably a high wave candle there. More than a doji. Between a doji and a high wave there. On a weekly, I'd probably go with it. Yeah, it's a high wave. Right, daily chart. Okay, we haven't even looked at daily. So, I mean, if you were to buy around about now on the daily, I even went to highs here, you'd see some resistance coming up here. And you would see the resistance coming in around $7-8. Buy a pullback from this area, buy the 618, and then move to the next targets up here around the $20 mark. You'll see resistance. If you look left, you'll see where you're going to come across resistance, and it's worth just measuring it to a fib. Now, I'm going to do a video tomorrow, or maybe even tonight, on another price prediction one, and then I'm going to do it. I'm going to go back in the past so you can see how powerful these fibs are when they come in, rather than me just pointing at thin air here. So I'll go back in time and we'll do it as if we don't know what chart is. I mean, I know we can see it here, and there's a lot of these coins don't have a lot of data, but I will go back to that. I'm not going to bother going to 8 hours here. I've not really done a long period of time, so I'm going to go as long as the day chart here. So from here, you're looking at $8, so you're looking at double your money initially, where I think we'll definitely see some resistance around about here. So what I will do on the next video, I'll probably have a look at Matic, and we'll drill down even further, probably to the 4-hour, 8-hour chart, and I'll show you these fibs playing out so that you can see how I'm using them and how accurate they are, and what you should be looking for when we hit these levels. And I'll talk through them on the next video. I'm going to keep this one short. So if you like the content, if you want to see the next video I do where I'm going to rewind the chart on Matic, I'll probably do Luna as well. Luna or Dot will be in the next one. If you'd like to see them, please like and subscribe and put an alert for the next video so you don't get to miss it when I rewind it back. Thank you for watching.